Gold showed a major swing yesterday, achieving the highs at 1995. If you recall, in our both the updates yesterday, I had mentioned that probably achieving the lower highs, we can see it yielding lower lows as well. Precisely, it has got the support at 1970, and both the updates I had mentioned support zone at 1970 and 74. It has precisely respected these levels. So now what to expect today from gold? Is it going to bounce back from here? Is it going to reverse from here? Or we can see a drop again. Which position you should take trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel in order to get the live updates. The next update will be released before the US session. What that is. Your every like, share, and comment is a greater motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Let's start first to look into hourly charts. On the hourly charts, if you look at lower highs, lower lows are still observed here. After the drop, it is trading in this bearish channel. If you look at the channel here, see the lows are beautifully connected and it is still respecting this, and at the same time you can see despite a breakout, still mostly it is respecting this highs. And also on the hourly charts, 1988, couple of resistances here. Thus I will recommend you to buy only if you see the price is staying above 98 and 1988 levels, and then on the upside, first resistance, major resistance 1991, and then 1996 zone will be seen. Beyond that, 2002 levels can be expected. If you look at the moving averages, this is crossed over here. It has traded bearish now, again trying to converge crossover. If it does, more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic was overbought. It is trying to cool down here. The MACD is also divergent and bullish here. It is looking upwards. It is still having some room for it to continue with the rise. RSI almost staying flat here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, this is a bearish cross here between the 20 and 50 period moving averages. Both are staying parallel as of now. If you look at the movement here, you must note that drop, retracement, drop, lower lows, retracement, lower highs. Yes, this suggests the bearish channel here. At the same time, one must look at, see the bullishness getting diminished with every candle. There is a push from the upside, and that is why we can see a red candle. Now, where to sell then? If it is bearish, then we have to take a selling entry. I will recommend you to sell at 1981, but then you have to be extremely cautious because 1978-77 is the first support, 1974 is the second, and 1970 is the third support level. Three major support exists for gold. As long as 1970 is respected, the chances of a reversal will be very, very high. Stochastic rising on the 2 hour charts. The MACD has just crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, moving averages have converged. It is not yet crossed over. It is right now yielded a bearish candle, now trying to rise again. I will wait for it to break past beyond 1988 in order to confirm the rise, then 1991-96 zone to be breached, then further bullishness to be seen here. Now what has happened here for gold? You can see bearish channel is done. If it gives a breakout, it is going to be a major breakout. I will wait for 2008 levels to be breached. On the upside, if it stays above 96 levels, more bullishness can be seen, which might take the prices towards 2000-2002 zone. Also, if you look at 1970 here, and again proving out to be a good support, then below that directly it has a landing at 1960. Stochastic is rising. Look at MACD, drop, consolidation, drop, and now trying to crossover. If it shows a crossover, we can expect a major reversal. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour charts. Yes, lower lows are done. Lower highs are seen. A breakout should take it till towards 2000 levels. Possibility exists. Right now it is just consolidating here. I will wait for a drop below 1978 specifically. If it does stay below 78, more bearishness may prevail here. Stochastic is rising. Good signs for the bulls here. MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, see the rise, the retracement, and if it crosses over from here, it is bound to achieve the highs here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Moving averages crossing over here, the 20 and 50, and the 50 and 100 also crossing over here at 1930. Now this is the zone where we have the maximum support for gold, 1930, 1960. In last 3 days, I have mentioned several times the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for the price to move down while it will wait for the moving average to climb up. Now it has taken one step closer. towards it. It has gone towards 1970. One must note we have seen lower highs, lower lows here. Thus below 1970, this time gold may try to achieve 1960 levels here. To capitalize, to maximize our profit potential, you can take a sell entry at 81, but then you have to be very alert, because see, it is still not reversing. A bigger tail on the downside suggests that there is a very strong push from the downside, and if it reverses from here, certainly more bullishness may. Stochastic has dropped, it is still looking downwards. The MACD, which was trading with divergence, it has converged, it has not yet crossed over. It can potentially, now look at from where the MACD is trying to cross over. This is almost the same highs from where we have seen reversal twice in the recent past. Thus these levels is something you should be cautious and alert of. A crossover from here may bring bearishness. RSI overbought and trying to. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before I provide the same, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can visit my platform forexfunda.com. This is the platform, and yes, I have a webinar coming this Sunday where before the markets open, just few hours before the market open, India time 6 to 7 p.m., we are going to do a live webinar where I'll be taking your questions. You can register here at forexfunda.com under the term announcement. You will find the details of, and the payment terms are also mentioned here. Register for this. Yes, this platform is created with the vision to provide everything required by a trader under one single umbrella, whether be it the top stories, be it the economic calendar or markets, where you can find your favorite instrument. Anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here. Stocks, fund, future, forex, CFD, crypto, anything is here. You can just create your own charts, you can create your own analysis, and if you want to get a guidance, get a consultation, you can book a call with me. It is available at a very nominal fee as of now. And this is the most important part, my mentorship batch is here. You can find the details of the mentorship batch under the announcement tab. You will find the details here, the timings, the curriculum, fees, and everything is available here. Register here itself and buy the course, and we are going to conduct the course here live on this platform as well. Most important is the discussion forum, where you will find the like-minded traders. You can have a discussion. The summary of my analysis is also available here. If you are not able to watch the full video, you can just read the summary here, and we can expect, or we can discuss with the like-minded traders too on the topic which you are interested in. So just visit the platform forexfunda.com. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 1988 levels and expect 1991, 1996 as the next resistance levels. Beyond 1996 is where the bulls will be taking over, and I will be looking forward 2002 levels. Yes, at the same time, one must note that the preceding candle was a swing candle, and with a longer tail, thus there was a downward pull as well, and hence you can sell here at 1981. Expect 1978-77 as the first support, 74 as the second, and 70 as the third. The three major support levels. Below 70 we are going to look at 1960 levels today, close to 1960 levels. That is going to be the target, and to enjoy the swings you have to just trade with the trailing stop loss. And when it's a buying entry, just go for buying with the stop loss at your entry price. When it's a selling entry, just go for sell with the stop loss at your entry price. Thus you can, because the day just started, we can make profits trading both ways. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my free Telegram channel, join my platform forexfunda.com, join the webinar, join the live mentorship classes is starting 20th of November. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day at sea.